and this is the cream of the crop you got here. This is the most educated, giving group of women, no matter what color, right, that are members of the National Association of Realtors. What I will say is this. I'm the only one who was willing to cry. We're all crying, okay?
Right.
And it just got to the point that everybody, well, I'm not emotional. I think that my husband has never seen me cry like that, okay? And I've been with him for 15 years, just so you can be clear. But we don't talk about this because we're strong women, right?
Right.
And we bottle it up. Let me say this. We bottle it up to the point that we understand NARs. We understand the numbers. You know how many times we've had to walk out of meeting, we sucking it up? You know, don't let them see you sweat. Don't let your emotion show. But when we hit that parking lot, when we get in our car, we letting loose. The car has seen more tears because our intelligence has been insulted. And then we question, and why are we doing this? Because our parents and our grandparents instilled something in us, and we're not supposed to have to essentially, for lack of better terms, kiss that much ass to be of service to others.
Oh, yeah.